Hey there, friends and followers. Today's most triumphant video is dedicated to all the homeowners out there and is designed to provide some great safety practices for the fall and winter season, more specifically the cold and flu season. Stay tuned. So yes, as always, welcome back. So according to the CDC, here in the United States, flu season generally occurs in the fall and winter. Now, while the influenza virus can spread year-round, most of the time flu activity peaks between December and February, but flu activity can last as late as into the month of May. The overall health impact, including of course sickness, but also infections, hospitalizations, and even deaths from the flu can vary from season to season. This is why it's so important to regularly clean and sanitize items in your home that are frequently used and touched in an effort to not only limit the risk in which you get sick, but of course the others in your household as well. With that being said, I'm going to share with you guys 5 great things that you're going to want to keep top of mind and keep clean and sanitized during the flu season. Item number 1 is stair railings. Now, this could be a handrail either inside the home, helping go from the first floor to the second floor, or more specifically on the exterior of the home leading up to the front door. Think about how many people may use that to come and go either up or down, in or out of the house. This is a great area to keep disinfected at all times. Item number 2, believe it or not, is the coffee maker. Now, the water reservoir in the coffee maker is an incubator of germs, and experts say that most coffee makers are crawling with bacteria and even mold. Whether it's a Keurig, an espresso machine, or even the traditional coffee maker, hot water alone is not enough to decontaminate the germs that can build up to the point in which they make you sick. Remove the reservoir monthly and scrub out with hot soapy water. Be sure to flush the machine with vinegar every couple of months as well, as best practice. Item number 3 is remote controls. Now, probably one of the most touched items in a given household. And in a lot of cases, hanging out at the TV for a favorite sitcom or family movie night also warrants favorite snacks to be enjoyed. This combines not only multiple people touching or grabbing the remote, but also a lot of hand-to-mouth contact from eating as well. Dabbing a cotton ball and rubbing alcohol and wiping off the remote is a great way to keep this issue at bay. Item number 4 is light switches. Now, these are one of the other most commonly touched items in a given household. Think about it. When it gets dark out, what's the first thing that you go to? Sure, a lot of homes now are incorporating lighting controlled by voice-activated devices such as Alexa or the Google Nest, but I'm sure there's still areas in the household in which light switches are the common. Spray these with a mixture of water and vinegar and wipe the faceplate and switch clean. And last item, number 5, is toothbrushes. Now, another great home for bacteria to be present is none other than the item that goes into your mouth twice a day. Sure, we may not think much of it because we use the toothbrush in essence to clean our teeth, but as good practice, you can drop your brush into a pot of boiling water for 3 minutes to clean most germs off, or even put it into the silverware compartment on your dishwasher and run a sanitized cycle with no soap. Just be sure to check that your toothbrush is, of course, dishwasher safe before putting it in, and as always, change out your brush every 3 months. Well, there you have it, friends. Those are 5 great tips to keep you and your household safe this cold and flu season. This is also extremely important if you have a lot of friends and family passing through for the holidays as well. As always, slide on over to the page, give it a like and subscribe to stay up to date with great current information like this, as well as to be notified when videos do become available. As always, thanks for tuning in, checking out the videos, and we'll catch you guys on the next.